Hi everyone!
Hi everyone!
Hi everyone!
Okay, everyone. I'm here with the Power of Three, Masalito Pamoy, Bogoy Julon, and Laka Gairanoda.
Yeah.
Okay, and is it your first time coming here, Ditto to Australia, po?
Nag-loading!
It's my first time performing. Do you want me to speak in English? Okay.
English.
I love this. No, English, because
Kasama natin.
It's actually my second time here, but this is my first time performing in Sydney. So I'm so happy and privileged that was given a chance and opportunities to perform to our kababayans. Ang galing.
For me, this is my third time in Sydney, but I'm so happy. It's because all the people there, all the audience is a fantastic audience for me. It's good. I'm so glad na makapag-perform ulit and in front of them. And syempre, hindi ko naman expect na yun pa rin yung ano nila sa amin, yung welcome. Ganon. Ikaw, ano masasabi mo? Second time mo na, di ba?
Mamaya ako sasagot. Actually, this is my second time. Okay.
Asawa ni Ma!
Just once, but
Twice, yes. Nag-loading na. No. Wow, may panano pa. Actually, OA talaga. Hindi. Tagalog na lang, no? Ayan, so, wag lang magpahirap-pahirap mamaya, masunggo. Dugo-dugo lang ang ilong nito.
Don't worry, walang sipon.
Ay, hindi sipon yun. Ayan, so, happy ako na nakabalik ulit ako dito after 10 years ago. And may experience ulit yung masasayang tao and makapag-perform ulit here in Australia. Yes, that's it.
And also, I would like to thank to our producer, syempre. And how many times na kinukuha nila ako, and syempre, itong grupo na to, syempre, pasalamatan natin ng aming producer na si, walang iba kundi si Batalyonis family. Ayan, no? Si Mamo, o kayo, baka
Madam
naman.
Ruby.
Yes. And si Tito Edward, yeah.
Thank you so much.
Red event.
And I know, it's not hindi pa to tapos. No?
Mag-English.
Marami pang mga kasunod nito.
Yes, madami pa to. Super dami.
All right. Second question, Paul, and then we'll go on to the last question. Okay. So, second question is, what did you think of the atmosphere of the audience tonight, Paul?
Sa akin po, I really love their energy and the way they welcome us, all the screaming, joining us to sing along. So sobrang nakakataba ng puso na there are yung energy nila na binibigay sa amin is the most important for us. That's why nga the artists, they give their best because of the energy that they absorb from the audience.
Yes.
And thank you. Bouquet na.
Wala na kami sasabihin.
But for me, wala na kami sasabihin. It's because sinabi na niya lahat.
Na lang kami.
Actually, syempre, nakakatabala ng puso kasi syempre, bawat performance namin, kasi syempre, natutuwa sila. And then sumasabay sila sa mga awitin na kinakanta namin. And then syempre, sa amin naman, isang malaking privilege yun para makapag-perform pa kami ng mas energetic para ganun. Ikaw, ma'am.
Ikaw naman, Be.
So, ayun.
So, ayun, mga kaibigan, dear child.
What's your next question? Hindi, next question na. Hindi, gusto niya rin naman, no? Next question na siya. So, ayun nga guys, katulad po ng sinabi nila, na super nag-enjoy ako while performing and also sa mga tao and lalo na yung mga nasa harapan ko kasi alam mo yun, nafe-feel ko yung kung ano yung nafe-feel nila. Lalo na at mag-perform ako dito, sa harapan nila. And also sa mga taong sumuporta sa aming tatlo. Ayan, so sobrang thankful po ako. That's it.
Okay, last question, Paul. I like to ask this because it makes the artists think. So, as Filipinos and Filipina in the entertainment industry, what does it mean to you to be Filipino, Paul?
Nakapasa sa akin. Being Filipino for me as an artist, performer, we're hard workers. We give our best without any expectation. So, yun po, so nakakataba lang ng puso na sabi nga nila, 'di ba? Sabi nila yung Filipino are
Intelligent.
sabi nila, 'di ba, may sinabi na they're the more when it comes to singing, vocal thing, 'di ba?
Very talented.
Opo, so nakakataba lang na we are representing our country and also galing ng English na nabibigay namin yung talent namin sa mundo, and sana hopefully more are able to see us perform and see our gift na from above kay God, na makita nila kung gaano kaganda yung binigay sa amin na regalo na to. So we're thankful and blessed that we are Filipino. And we are proud Filipino. And I thank you.
It's the same.
Lagi kasi mahaba naglulong tuloy kami.
Yeah, it's true. The Filipino is hard worker, but
Yes.
for us, is co-worker.
That's why we're good day mate, we're
Classmates. Actually, I'm proud to be a Filipino. It's because, like for me, it's not a Filipino audience sometimes because we have perform in the US, Europe. So actually, my manager is not a Filipino; is only European. So my song, all my song is Italian, something like that. But my audience there is not Filipino; is Italian. Sometimes it's Mexican, Mexico. That's why I'm very proud this is a Filipino. Is because this is
Give
my
it to him.
talent,
Come
and
on,
this is the
guys.
Filipino.
Give it
All
to
right.
You're the pride of the Philippines.
So that's it. Thank you thank you for that wonderful. Ang daming sinabi. From being Filipino, super proud po ako na isa akong Filipina. And also, nagre-represent po kami bilang mga singer sa iba't ibang lugar. Hindi lang po talaga kumakanta, nagkakaroon pa kami ng mga shows, concert. Talagang super proud po ako is being Filipina. And yun, tulad nga po ng sinasabi nila, hindi ka tatawag Pilipina kung hindi ka matapang, hindi ka very talented actually. And then, kasi lahat ng mga Filipino matatapang talaga yan eh. Kahit saan mo dalhin, 'di ba? So all around, kumbaga. So ayun po, very thankful din po ako na binigyan ako ni God ng isang talento na makakatulong sa family ko and maibabahagi ko po sa ibang tao. Ayan, that's it.
Alright, salamat po. Salamat talaga sa lahat.
po.
Okay, this is a Pusong Pinoy Sid 1 channel coming to you with the power of 3. Alright, and maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.